all the people that slept on me, wake up. Hey, how you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be styling our hair in a drawstring ponytail. First, we are going to be prepping our hair using some products from Pattern Beauty, starting with the new moisturizing hair milk, which I absolutely love. Then I'm going to be going in with the Stronghold gel to put my ponytail in place. And of course, I'll be using the Pattern Edge Control to help with parting and also to slay my edges. Keep on watching. So for this ponytail, I am working in sections, one big section in the back and then two on the sides, which just makes it easier to lay my hair down. Once I secure the ponytail on the back section, I start on the sides and I add a new ponytail holder each time I secure a new section. For this ponytail, we are using the Kinikistry Kolistics 20-inch drawstring ponytail. I am absolutely obsessed with this ponytail and how easy it is to install it. It has 4 clips in a drawstring, so a clip on the top, the bottom, and both sides. You just insert those clips right into the ponytail, pull the drawstring, wrap it around. I take a piece of the hair from the front and then just wrap that around as well, and that is it. A quick slay. So I did custom color this ponytail. It was originally a natural black color, but I did want it to match my new hair color, so I will link that video up above where I did dye this ponytail as well as some clip-ins. I also do have a coupon code for Kinikistry, which I will put on the screen above as well as in the description box with the link for you to purchase these amazing hair products. And here is the final look. I am absolutely obsessed with this super cute low ponytail. I normally do high ponytails when I do the drawstring, but I wanted this a little bit lower, and I probably can go a little lower, but I was just trying it out. And then this middle part is also new for me. I don't normally do a middle part when I do ponytails, but when I tell you I have been rocking this ponytail for the last about a week and a half to 2 weeks, I did redo the parting on it, so you'll see that coming up in a little bit, but yes, completely obsessed. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. I am feeling it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.